Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera flash to auto on or off on the iPhone 14 series. So first let's go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the photo tab if you want to take a photo. Now to set your camera flash, swipe up. Then you should see a toolbar at the bottom. Tap on the flash icon. In here you can select auto on. That means the flash is always on. So you can see if I take a photo, it doesn't matter whether your lighting environment is very bright or very dark, the flash will always be on. And you can choose off, so it always stay off. Or you can select auto so that the camera or the phone will automatically determine if it needs to use the flash or not. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.